Natural with B3, B5, B6, B12 vitamins, plus guarana and ginseng. Ginseng. Ginseng.
So right now I'm just chilling out, lying on my floor, and it's really good. What is it? Strawberry apricot. Yesterday was good, like I just said in the video that I did before this one. Oh my goodness, it's off. And you know, I was pretty excited, but I'm pretty sad. I mean,
My third to last birthday yesterday, because 2012 is gonna come and we're all just gonna die, and no, we gotta start celebrating these birthdays better.
I stay single. I just run in a circle the whole video. Would you continue to watch it, or would you stop? That's my question for you. Oh my goodness, I'm busy.
Don't you hate when people make videos like this and never stay in one spot?